The acceleration sensor is used with the airbag system. Before you begin any work on airbag systems, please make sure to disconnect the battery and give it at least 15 minutes to discharge any residual energy before you begin work. The acceleration sensor is an integral part of the PSM system. If it fails, replacement is quick and easy. The sensor is located behind the headlights. Porsche supplies a headlight removal tool in the toolkit, and the toolkit is located in the lower front luggage compartment indicated by the red arrow. Grab the handle of the toolkit and pull the toolkit out. Open the kit. The headlight removal tool is located inside this tool pouch indicated by the red arrow. This is the headlight removal tool. The headlight release port is located under a rubber cover, red arrow. Grab the top and fold down the rubber cover to reveal the port where the tool goes in. During installation, if you need to make adjustments, the height adjustment, green arrow, and the lateral adjustment, blue arrow, are located here. Insert the squared end of the tool into the opening and fit it into the release axle. Use the handle on the end to turn the tool 180 degrees towards the inside of the vehicle. Keep turning the tool until the headlight pops slightly out of the fender and stops moving. You can now lift it forward and out. The headlight will still be connected to an electrical connector, red arrow. Use a soft towel to rest the headlight on while you push down on the tab to release the electrical connector. You may need a flathead screwdriver to push down on this tab. The sensor is located beside the headlight mount and indicated by the red arrow. Pull back the red tab to release the electrical connection, red arrow. Use a 10mm socket and remove the mounting nut, red arrow. Lift the sensor off the mount. Clean any dirt or debris off the mount before installing the new sensor. Installation is the reverse of removal, and depending how the sensor failed, you may need to reprogram your system with a scan tool. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.